Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I'm currently in Palm Coast, Florida. We are here. We surprised my grandmother on this little trip. She thought my mom was coming alone, but it's me and the baby Royce. And so we're gonna have a lot of fun. Today we should be going out to eat and probably do some shopping for her new house. And yeah, you guys are gonna come along. Do I even have some suit in my hair? What? I mean, you're here. Yeah. Weirdo. What the heck? What's free? My hair is not giving right now. This will be fine. Last but not least, because your girl gotta see. Gotta sleep. That's really. I love you. Yes. Say I love you. I love you. Kiss this. Thank you so much. I love you so much. That's the first time I ever got him to say any part of it. It's on Yelp. I ain't no doing all. Watch out. At the bottom. Sleeping handsome. Thank you. Maybe scallops.
You don't like scallops?
Not necessarily.
Hey, cheers. All the best.
All the best.
All the best. Health and happiness and everything.
Family. Yes.
Family. Family.
A curry paella mashup. I mean, it's not too far off. They make paella in the Caribbean.
Saffron, right? It's with saffron.
Saffron.
Saffron, yeah.
So what does it say it again?
Saffron. It's with saffron.
That's not what you just said.
Saffron.
Saffron with an E.
S-A. Well, they tell you what it is if you add.
Thank you. Ooh, bread, yes. Because we're hungry. Ooh, what's that? Olives. Wow. Those look yummy. I like regular black olives, but they're always pitted in the can. They're never like fresh in the in the jars. It's always like Kalamata olives, like the dark purple ones. I don't like those. Want some?
Good.
So, Uncle Rene, you guys got Vincent and Mama here, close by.
Well, it's not far.
I know, so yeah.
When you were coming to me, did it take them the direct route or?
100. We were right on 100.
Oh, so it was the direct.
Because we went to,
You didn't answer the question though, did you? So you went straight down Belter. You went straight down Belter and made a
then went
left.
into the thing, and then you didn't answer the question I asked you.
What?
Are you glad Mom and Vincent are there, close by?
I don't ask personal questions.
That's personal?
Yes.
Oh,
Of course I'm glad.
okay.
I could hardly wait for them to get here.
It's like permanent, like, oh, you couldn't wait, but now they're here.
She said, why I got a cracker? Because I got lobster, honey. I have lobster in my paella. It was the first word. Did you not see? Look at the lobster right there. He coming. He coming to say hi. Do you see him? Lobster?
Do you know how to even open that?
That smells good too. I ain't gonna hold you.
You know how to crack it?
Are we gonna figure it out today? What you mean? What you mean?
I thought it was pieces.
You didn't look at the picture, did you?
That looks good.
It looks good too. And you got olives.
You got any? I can't remember the name, but it was.
It's rice, shrimp, and scallops.
Hey, Mommy, just reserve this like in a cup.
Coming to collect. Papa.
Claire, let's try it.
Yeah. Oh, he knows. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. And the one finger too.
Hey.
Moving from one end of the street.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna play it again. That's the only thing I remember from the music. What? Why'd you do that? BB got you. Look, ooh. like stuff like that. We got different levels. Shoot. How much was that? $2? How much? Oh, at the Dollar Tree? Shucks. This man just stole the water out my hand. And now he drinking water like he ain't ever drank water before. Really? Yeah, really? All day, every day?